No one prepares you for the season of sending your child off to college. It feels like just yesterday I was packing lunches and helping with homework. One minute your child is walking through the doors of elementary school carrying a backpack that's almost bigger than they are. Then suddenly your first grader is graduating from high school. The years pass quietly in the middle of everyday life, and before you know it, you're preparing for an entirely new chapter. As a mom, this season is exciting, emotional, and bittersweet all at the same time. You're proud of the person they become, but also realizing just how quickly the years have passed. So as my daughter prepares to head off to college in the mountains, I thought I'd take you along with us as we plan and create a home away from home for freshman year. In this series, we're designing and sharing the dorm planning process with practical ways to maximize this small space. To make the process easier, I'll be breaking the dorm room into functional zones. In this video, we'll focus on the sleep and comfort zone, the space that supports rest, comfort, and everyday living. Before buying a single item, it's important to understand how much space you're actually working with. Most dorm rooms range between 150 and 250 square feet shared by 2 students. Divide that space in 2 and it's about 100 square feet of space each for a bed, a desk, and a closet area. So planning ahead is key to saving money and preventing unnecessary purchases. One of the biggest mistakes is shopping before creating a design plan. Create a mood board with a room layout that includes your color schemes and storage needs. A dorm bed is the primary area students study, watch movies, relax, spend time with friends, and recharge after long days of classes. Mattresses are uncomfortable, so add these 3 simple layers: a protective mattress encasement, a memory foam topper, and a quilted mattress pad. Once comfort is addressed, it's time to focus on style. The pillow formula for an elevated designer-inspired look includes 3 decorative pillows, 1 lumbar, 1 22-inch, and 1 20-inch pillow insert. Purchase pillow covers 2 inches smaller than the insert size and buy 2 standard sleeping pillows. For bedding, start with a quality sheet set, then a quilt for texture, and then a duvet insert inside a decorative duvet cover. A cozy throw blanket adds warmth for those chilly mountain evenings. If the dorm allows it, consider adding an upholstered headboard for a unique and polished look. And because storage is always limited in a dorm room, elevate the bed and add a 32-inch drop bed skirt to organize and conceal storage underneath the bed. In a dorm room, every square inch matters. A rolling drawer unit adds storage and organizes essentials. It also serves as a bedside table, so add a lamp and alarm clock on the top surface. Add a footstool if the bed is elevated to get in and out of bed, and for extra hidden storage. Choose a coordinated fabric for an elevated look. To maximize the space underneath the bed, use stacked drawer units or cube organizers with baskets. Once you've addressed storage, it's time to add the finishing touches that make the room feel personal and welcoming. The bed is often the focal point of a dorm room, so don't overlook the wall space above it. Artwork helps personalize the space and also reflects their personality. There are so many styles of art to choose, like modern, abstract, bohemian, or typographic word art. Another often overlooked element is a rug. A rug helps define the space, soften the room visually, and creates a more comfortable place to start and end the day. I recommend placing at least a 5x7 rug in between the 2 beds. To make shopping easier, check out my Walmart and Wayfair storefronts featuring many of the dorm essentials and decor discussed. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and comment below if you're also preparing for college. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.